In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can copy and paste in your Chromebook. So I have this simple Google Docs document and right now it is empty. So I want to create some content by just copying from the source and then paste the content right here. Let's open a new tab and I'm going to search for, let's say, Wikipedia article about maybe the recent event. And let's try copy some content from Wikipedia and then put that into Google Docs. Now the process of copy and paste is actually pretty simple. So it's really just Ctrl+C and then Ctrl and V, but in Chrome OS it's just a bit different. So in order to copy the content, I have to select this section. This is the paragraph that I want to copy. And in order to do that, you can use the cursor. You can click, let's say at the very beginning. Sorry about that. It's a bit laggy. We can left click, and then you want to hold the left click and then move the cursor using the touchpad to the end of the paragraph, and then you can release the left click. And after that, you want to double click. Sorry, not double click. That's not the right term. You want to right click, and in order to right click to refill the context menu, to refill the copy option, you have to use both fingers. So you have to tap the trackpad, the touchpad, using both fingers. You want to use the pointy finger and also the middle finger, and you have to do it at the same time. So there are two fingers tapping at the same time, and it will refill this context menu. You can click copy, which is the same as using Ctrl+C, and I'm going to go back to Google Docs and I'm going to paste the document. Again, you can use the double tap, not double click, and then you can click paste, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut. But for this one, I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl and V, and we got this option. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and then V. Now this is actually just a typical Ctrl and V, and you can see that the formatting, which is the text, the way the text look, is going to mimic the original content. You can see that the text here is bolded and then the text here is linked. This is a link that you can click, but let's say you don't want to do that. You just want to get a clean version of the text. You just want to get, basic text without any links or formatting of the paragraph. And it's actually pretty simple. You just need to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and V to paste the content. So I'm going to undo the action that I just made before. Now it's empty. Now I'm going to press Ctrl, Shift, and then V. And now this is the text. It is following the format that I got on my document. It happens to be very big because the font size is 30. But that's really just the idea of using the copy and paste method in Chromebook. It's really just Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. It's the same as in Windows and every other operating system, but maybe the way to interact with Chromebook hardware is a little different. There is no right click. There is only the double tap to refill the context menu. Just double tap using pointy and middle fingers, and you will get this context menu that similar to right click in other operating system. But anyway, that's how you can copy and paste in Chromebook. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Have a good day and take care.